You can't eat roses, can you? We don't want to be negative. That was delicious. That was my favourite. We are deep into our second week in Vietnam and we have dived right into all the scenic stuff and it's been amazing. What we haven't done yet is a bit of a food tour and see all the local cuisines.
I'm so happy that we're doing the first one in Hoi An because the food here looks amazing. Obviously there's Bahn Mi, we're going to go to the most famous one we can, egg coffee, which is where we're going now, and we're both super excited for a really local dish called Cao Lau, I think it is. It's literally just in Hoi An.
Yeah, only in Hoi An, so we picked a really good place to pick up for the food.
But first, coffee. So we just got our egg coffee. I have no idea what to expect. It's come in a cup within a cup that's got hot water, so I don't know if it's keeping it hot. Whoa. Look how foamy that is. So I don't know how to drink this. It's weird because you can taste the egg. I thought it would just be like the whites of an egg, but you can taste yolk. It's very creamy, so I like that. Whoa. The key is to mix it together because then the egg yolk sort of flavour goes away and it makes it just this really rich, creamy coffee.
We just finished up at the egg coffee place. I liked it. It was weird and fluffy and smooth. And now we're going to one of the more famous places here to get some Bahn Mi, which is a traditional Vietnamese dish as well. This one apparently ordained by Bourdain. Anthony Bourdain said it was a really good one. We've had some pretty bloody good ones though, so we'll be the judge. One pork Bahn Mi to share and a couple of drinks. I hate to say it, but my expectations are high. Also,
Oh wow! Thank you. It's good. It's not my favourite. Yesterday's Fin Bahn Mi beats this, I think.
we don't want to be negative, but we've just had the Anthony Bourdain recommended Bahn Mi, and out of all the ones we've had in Vietnam so far, it does rank the lowest on my list.
Even the lowest on our list is still amazing. It's just that last night's one was the best I think either of us have had. And the one that we had in Ho Chi Minh, I literally still dream about it.
The first one we ever had, Emily's obsessed with.
But next on the list is white rose dumplings.
One of our favourite things to get no matter where we are in the world.
We have come to White Rose restaurant to get white rose dumplings because it seemed fitting, and it's also one of the most highly rated places you can get white rose dumplings. I don't really know what they are or what's in them. Probably should have read the menu, to be honest.
I'm equally in the dark. I assume you can't eat roses, can you? Like petals. Maybe it's got white rose petals in it.
Apparently, the recipe for these dumplings is a secret held by one family in Hoi An that provides it to all of the restaurants. How cool is that? Thank you. So we dip it in here. Quite spicy. It's really good. We're not the biggest shrimp finish them quite easily.
I'm notorious for not liking any seafood, shellfish, anything. Pretty good, you're right. Not fishy. Oil spice is quite nice. The dough is quite a delicate dough on the outside and falls apart pretty easily. Oh baby, I didn't mind it. Like seafood and shellfish I don't like, but they were okay.
Yeah, I really liked them considering it was shellfish. But the next food on the agenda is Cao Lau.
But that is dinner time right now.
It is not dinner time.
It is not dinner time. We are very full from all our food for today. We're just going to waste a little bit of time until we're hungry again and grab some dinner by the river.
We are at some random food vendor on the side of the river and we're about to have the Hoi An noodle specialty Cao Lau. Just making it. It looks so good. The crispy pork on top, oh my gosh. Delicious. Super savory, and then you have the crunch of the bean sprouts.
I'm really pleased with that. Love the flavour. Really nice.
Thank you.
That was delicious. That was my favourite, I think, of the whole day.
100%. Although I don't know if it's going to be beat by what we've just decided to go get now.
We know that there's a night market across the river.
We saw Nutella crepes there the other day, so I think that's where we're heading now.
That concludes today's food tour. There weren't any losers today.
Yeah, Cao Lau was definitely the winner though.
Cao Lau was awesome. Yeah.
We'll be getting that again.
Yeah. If you come to Hoi An, have to get Cao Lau. It's getting a bit later. I reckon we'll head straight back to the hotel and go to sleep.
Sounds nice.
Sounds nice. All right. Oh, I got chocolate around my mouth.
A key is afoot. The key is the key.
Tell me your secrets.